to our channel. Let's do it together.
Dream, a walk and daydream, ice cream, sweet life of peaches and cream. No doubt I'm wishing it was me. Thigh highs and vintage mom jeans, a nighttime routine. I know
Yeah, I just wiggle a bit and drag it upward. That's the trick. Decided to put one more coat because you can still see my Luna. So every time you put coat, you just put a very thin layer each time. Because we just want to make sure everything has been coated. Let me use this one. That's how my trick. Because sometimes the design has not been fully coated, so it doesn't pick up properly. So that's the thing. See, that's the line I don't like. And take out those things that we don't want the designs, especially the thing. So let's gonna put it now. I think it's better like this. Cook it for a few seconds, 10 seconds. My another trick is to put top coat so it will not smudge. Again, just clean the thing that you don't want, put it where you want it. See? Okay. Where else I want? Scrape one more time. Just repeat the process and eliminate those things that you don't like. And spot the place that you want to put it. Just like that. Now we're gonna put the top coat.
Like a fucking collectible. How she moves is incredible. The glamorous spectacle. No, it's terrible. 'Cause I used to watch the world. Lately I'm watching her. I can't stop watching.
Just gonna rearrange it a little like that.
And we'll do the same process in the other finger.
Okay, and then we have to cure it.
Yeah. So we're gonna put our top coat in each finger. And then we're gonna cure it now.
After you cure it, it has a sticky film on top of it.
So these are the nails for Valentine's Day.
And you can see that. Look closer is the heart.
And guys, tell us which is your favorite nail in the comments down below.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Love you!
Bye!
Bye!
Thank you for watching. See you in the next
video.